Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be replacing these little covers that go over the end of your AirPods. So you open the case up like this, and these actually came with the AirPods. They're different sizes. The mediums are already on there, so you have a small and a large. The large actually also worked for me, so odds are you'll be able to use more than one size. So you just unfold the little trumpet like this and pull, and it'll pop right off. Very simple. Now just take the size that you're looking for. It pops right off of the case here, and we're going to line it up. Sometimes you do have to twist it left and right, but you can just pop it straight on. So that's how easy it is to do those. As another example, I have one here that is torn. So this one was a little bit harder to get off because you can see the little tear in it, and as you go to remove it, this one just tore. And so very simple fix for this. All you need is a little pair of pliers. You could even probably do it with your fingernails, but we're just going to pop it off just like we did the other one. We're going to grab our new replacement one, take it off of the cover, and this one you'll see did have to rotate a little bit more until it finally popped into place. But that's how easy it is to do these. It's also good to take these off and clean them often because you get some earwax and some things that are in there. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description. I'll put a playlist with other videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.